Welcome to Master English Academy. Today, we're going to learn some simple English grammar rules that will help you start speaking English like a native speaker. Even if you're a complete beginner, don't worry. These rules are super easy to understand, and you'll be able to use them in your everyday conversations. Lesson 1. Subjects and verbs. At the heart of every sentence lies the subject and the verb. The subject is the person, place, or thing the sentence is about, and the verb is the action or state of being that happens to the subject. Examples: subject, the cat; verb, sleeps; subject, the dog; verb, barks; subject, the sun; verb, shines; subject, the students; verb, study. Practice. Can you identify the subject and verb in these sentences? The tree stands tall. The birds sing sweetly. The children play happily. Lesson 2. Nouns and pronouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. Pronouns, on the other hand, take the place of nouns. Examples: noun, the girl; pronoun, she; noun, the boy; pronoun, he; noun, the teacher; pronoun, they; noun, the bird; pronoun, it. Practice. Can you replace the nouns in these sentences with pronouns? The boy is playing. He is playing. The teacher is teaching. They are teaching. The bird is flying. It is flying. Lesson 3. Adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns, while adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Examples: adjective, the beautiful flower; adverb, she runs quickly; adjective, the tall tree; adverb, they speak softly; adjective, the delicious cake; adverb, he plays skillfully. Practice. Can you add adjectives and adverbs to these sentences? The car is fast. The sleek red car is fast. The woman is happy. The joyful woman is happy. The man is tall. The towering man is tall. Congratulations on completing your first English grammar lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep reading, writing, and speaking English as much as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to Master English Academy for more fun and easy English lessons.